Hello! We're crying. Alam mo bang sobrang traffic? Sobrang nagkaka-anxiety na ako sa traffic. Hopefully, we'll be there in less than an hour. Hopefully. Okay guys, stuck kami sa traffic. More than 1 hour na kami sa bus. So guys, we're going out. We're going to Satwa Night Market. We'll visit my friend, my good friend, Ate Lian. So she's one of my how would I say it? Not oldest friends. Pinakamatagal ko ng friend. How would you say that in English? She's one of the longest friend. Long-time friend, okay. Oh my God, my English is not Englishing. So, she's one of my long-time friend? One of my long-time friends. So, here in UAE, work in the same bank way back, like years back. May business siya and I like to go and visit her. Actually, nanggugulo lang naman ako doon. And sometimes I also help sell her product. And also, we've seen each other like last week ata yun. So, siya lagi yung, ba't ang dami kong so? Lagi ko siyang katismisan, ganyan. We talk about life, family, ganyan. So yeah, we're like, hindi ako makapagsalita kasi may mga tao. So, please bear with me guys. Nahihiya pa ako kasi pag may mga taong ako nakakasalubong. But anyway, magbabas lang kami. Isa lang yung bus guys. Bus na sasakyan namin from here to there. So instead of taking a metro, mag-metro kasi lilipat pa kami, tapos babas pa kami after. Ito, magbabas na lang kami, and then yung bus is straight na doon sa Satwa Night Market. So, if you guys have time as well, you can visit there. Oh, she barely goes there, but maybe now she might go often kasi hindi naman na siya nag-work. So, baka nandun siya lagi. So wait, my mic, is it on? How would I... Wait, I'm looking. So guys, we're back in the bus stop. Look down. So, ayun yung mga bus, guys. So, 4 minutes before my bus arrives. So, yeah. Let's wait. Naming tao, guys. And, let me just get my Knoll card. It's in my bag. Guys, nag-arrive na ang bus. There you go. Guys, ang madali ako. Nagulat ako. Nandiyan na pala yung bus. Busy pa ako, chumita. So, yeah. Sakay kami ng bus and hopefully we'll be there in less than an hour. Okay guys, stuck kami sa traffic. More than 1 hour na kami. Hopefully. Payat ko, bilis ko pumayat guys. It's not. I don't like super payat. I wanna gain weight actually. What to do? Ayoko maubos yung data ko. So maglalaro na lang ako. At least pag mag-games ako compared to YouTube, mas less yung gagamitin kong data. Guys, hindi ko in-expect na 1 hour pala tong bus papunta doon. Hindi dahil sa sobrang layo niya. It's because maraming stop yung bus. Parang 20 stops before it gets there. I'll see you again later. Since sobrang dami sa labas, it's very traffic. Okay guys, stuck kami sa traffic. More than 1 hour na kami sa bus. It's like, what time is it? Around 15 minutes before 10. So guys, we're here. We're actually here. We could have used that way. Pero, naiihi ako. So, ito muna tayo sa may CR. Guys, may view dito ng Burj Khalifa. Look. Ayun yung night market guys, yung maraming lights. Ang entrance dito guys, if you wanna enter from here, is doon actually sa front ang main entrance. So guys, we're here. We arrived at the night market, Satwa Night Market. There you go. Bedsheet! Bedsheet! Hi! Hello!
Shout out! What are you doing? Vlogging? Oh!
We're crying!
Saga naman! Hoy!
Alam mo bang sobrang traffic? Sobrang nagkaka-anxiety na ako sa traffic. The traffic is not moving. So guys, tapos na kami sa night market. I'm really sorry. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog. Because whenever I'm with my friends, I focus on like talking with them, like, you know, nakikipag-interact ako. So, yeah. Mas parang very present ako. Hindi ako nag-vlog, hindi ako nag-video. So, sabi naman niya ni ate na mag-video ko, but, well, wala lang. Parang nako-conscious kasi ako, guys, pag nag-video ako, tapos nandyan sila, you know. So, parang kanina, we had, ano mang kinain? Wala, meron lang kaming, konti lang kinain namin kasi kumain na kami sa bahay. So, gusto ko lang actually din lumabas kasi 2 weeks na ako, guys, na work from home. And, you know, yung frustration mo na nasa loob ka lang ng bahay, sobrang nakakapagod sa utak, mentally. So, it's nice to go out, see people that are familiar. And sobrang busy, guys. Sobrang daming tao. Nahirapan pa kaming maghanap ng upuan at first. Guys, sobrang daming tao. Sobrang crowded. And it's like around 11 p.m. na, guys, almost. Actually, it's 11 na, 11:20. Sobrang crowded. Pero yun, you guys visit them. Nagbebenta sila ng pabango doon. I'm not sure if it's allowed to like advertise or something. Pero basta color pink yung shop nila. Yun na yun. And sometimes I go there, I sell too. So, magta-taxi na kami pa uwi. They used to like drop us also. Sobrang bait nila. But yun nga, ngayon madami kasi kami. I mean, may mga staff din sila, ganyan. So sabi niya by next week, ihahatid-hatid na daw niya kami. But now, we will take taxi na going home. So, nandito na kami, guys, sa may mga taxi stand. Of course, we'll take yung nasa pila. Sakay na akong taxi, guys. This is my day. Oh, kwento ko na lang kung anong ginawa ko the whole day. So, I woke up, guys. After I woke up, kumain ako ng breakfast. So, I cooked breakfast. After breakfast, bumaba ako ng building. Nag-grocery ako ng dinner namin. So, after that, I cooked. Parang habang nagluluto ako, nag-message sa ate, sabi niya, pupunta ba kayo na... nagpapatulong siya ng something. Anyway, tapos inask niya if pupunta daw ba kami night market. Sabi niya, kasi baka pumunta ako, sabi niya. So yun, wala naman talaga akong balak lumabas. Parang feeling ko today is like maglalakad lang sa labas, ganyan ulit. But then, since sinabi niya pupunta siyang night market, so I decided to like, okay, punta na din ako. Sila may-ari nung night market dito sa may South. Ilan ba night market dito? So pala nakikita ko. I went there and yeah, met her. Catch up. Kahit kaka-catch up lang namin. Ayun, ito guys. Nag-bus kami papunta, right? Kung alam ko lang na ganun ka-hectic at sobrang ka-hassle. Grabe guys, stuck kami sa traffic. More than 1 hour na kami sa bus. It's like, what time is it? Around 15 minutes before 10. Nakaka-frustrate kasi first time kong hindi naman first time. Kasi dati na-traffic na din akong ganun sa Sharjah. Pero dito guys sa Dubai. Kasi nag-bus na din ako papunta dun before. But hindi naman ganun. Hindi naman ako na-traffic ng ganun. Like literally, parang hindi na gumagalaw yung bus. Parang more than 1 hour kaming nasa bus. Kala ko ba walang masyadong tao sa labas? At sobrang traffic. Kaya sakyan. At na-traffic kami sa may bandang Karama. Parang ganyan. Sobrang frustrating. Okay lang sana kung yung parang normal na traffic na gumagalaw. Pero meron yung point na sobrang hindi na nag-move eh. Nakarating kami doon. I had milk tea. Para siyang coconut na may something. Tapos yung momos. Tapos pineapple. But anyway, ayun. Ako kahit basta hindi ako mahilig din mag-juice at saka mag-tigre. Pero pag meron, okay, I don't mind. Minsan nga mas gusto ko iba nagde-decide for me. Yan. Pero yung mga hindi ako mahilig sa mga exotic na mga food. Sabi ko nga yung taste ko is like very basic. If I go to a restaurant, like one restaurant, tapos may favorite akong food, minsan kahit sobrang ilang beses na ako nakakapunta doon, hindi ko pa natatry yung mga ibang menus nila kasi hindi ako, kung ano yung nagustuhan ko, I'll keep on just ordering that. Hindi ako yung parang, orderin ko to, orderin ko yan, ganyan, tapos mag-experiment ako. Kasi pag, ito pa kasi, so, whenever I experiment on food, there are times, very rare, but there are times that I would try different food. But I will make sure na busog na ako, na nakakain na ako. Kasi, ang tendency kasi is, if I eat yung something na, kunwari bago, tapos I didn't like it, mawawala yung appetite ko, hindi na ako magugutom. So, hindi na ako makakakain. Kung baka natikman ko lang yung food, tapos hindi ko nagustuhan, wala na, hindi na ako makakakain, parang nawawalan na ako ng gana. Which I avoid. So let's say for example, may bagong food na I've like never tried before. Before I eat that, I'll make sure na kumain na muna ako. Para if ever man na hindi ko siya magustuhan, at least nakakain na ako, busog na ako. Kesa yung nawalan na ako ng gutom, ng appetite, na disappoint na ako, hindi pa ako nakakain, di ba? Tapos at the end of the day, parang later on, biglang sasakit yung tiyan ko or bigla akong magugutom. Mas lalo ako mabubwisit. So, yeah, yun yung technique ko. If ever na magustuhan ko yun, at least, di ba, sa future, pwede ko na orderin yun. Pwede na akong kumain ulit ng ganon. What else? Pauwi na kami, guys. Kakalagpas lang namin sa Sheikh Zayed Road. Very peaceful. It's past 1 na, guys, in the morning. Dami pa rin mga sasakyan, guys. Look. So, very normal. Like the typical morning in Dubai. Kanina din, I am trying to avoid eating so much kasi late na. Parang ang ending na naman kasi pag kumain ako ng madami, pagka uwi ko, hindi na naman ako matutulog agad. So, since kumain naman na ako kanina, I felt like, okay, tikim-tikim lang ako. But anyway, I think this is the end of the vlog. I'll go home, usually. I'll just clean my face. We'll take a shower and then sleep. Yeah, bye!